What up, my primal people? Today, I'm going to be telling you guys how to meditate. And I'm not a professional. Let's just get that out of the way real quick. I am not a professional whatsoever, but what I do like to do is practice meditation, practice mindfulness, and just practice staying in the moment in general. So, life can be kind of hectic sometimes, and throughout life we all go through different journeys. I mean, it's all one big journey in the end, but we go through some rides. It's really a roller coaster, and I'm just going to be telling you how to quiet the ego, quiet the mind, and stay in that present moment. And we will have Mr. Buddha here himself just chilling because we need him in these times. We need him during this video because he is going to give me the strength to tell you guys how to quiet your mind. So let's get into it. So meditation can be looked at in a lot of ways, just like everything. I can pop up a definition right here, take a look, see what you guys think, because I really don't think that when people define things, it really gets the whole picture. It really depends on the person who interprets it. At the end of the day, people are going to look at it in their own perspective. So everyone has their own point of view. Everyone has their own way of looking at things. But what meditation can do for everyone is help stay in that present moment and let go of all the worries that may be weighing you down throughout your everyday life. So the cool thing about meditation is there are no rules. And some people may tell you different, but in my experience, it's going to be how you figure it out. It's going to be how you actually decide to quiet that mind. And a lot of people like to sit down, find a quiet spot, maybe light a few candles, get really chillaxed, and then proceed to meditate. I think that's what people see on TV, or that's what people think of when they think of meditating, but you can do it anywhere. You can do it while doing the dishes, you can do it while on a walk, you can do it in basically any case scenario, and you can feel good while doing it. You have your breath at all times. You don't need any external sources. You don't need any external material items. Nothing like that. All you're going to have to do is look within yourself and, take a couple deep breaths. And there's multiple ways that you can breathe, of course. You can take deep breaths, which is usually the best because getting a full deep breath really helps connect that mind and body. There's all types of techniques for breathing, like you guys know, because you can do it however you want. There's the 4-7-8 technique, which is breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds and then hold that for 7 seconds. Then breathe out through your mouth for 8 seconds. And that one's a really nice one for me. But like I'm saying, if this one doesn't work for you, then there's so many more techniques out there. There's box breathing, there's the breath of fire, there's all these different things. And if you guys want to look those up, make sure to do it because I'll be making videos on those. But this is really the basis of how to meditate. This isn't really going in depth on the actual exercises themselves, but I will provide that content, so stay tuned if you guys are interested in that. All in all, it's really just how you quiet your mind, quiet the ego. And you have to really want to do it because if you're looking at it in a negative way, then nothing's really going to come from this. If you look at it like you don't think there's going to be any positives that come from this, then that's what you're going to limit yourself to. But once you open your mind to all the different possibilities and ways that this can actually help you, it's going to be a game changer. It really will. So basically, if you guys have any more questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. Despite what you may have heard, I'm here to tell you that you don't need anything. You don't need any external sources. The awesome thing is you only need yourself. But at the same time, that's all it takes is yourself. You're going to have to stay disciplined enough to actually practice this on a daily basis or very consistently. Like I said, there's no rules, so I would be contradicting myself if I said you had to do this every day. But I feel like the people who actually do this just for fun end up doing it once, twice, maybe even 3 times a day. So it's totally up to you guys. It's totally how you look at it. But if you gained anything from this video, make sure to like. And if you want to see any more of this type of content, make sure to subscribe as well. I'm going to be posting every day for 3 months straight. And we're just going to see where that takes us. I'm very excited to announce that because it's going to be a grind for sure. And I know I can do it. I know you guys will be supporting me. So with that being said, I will catch you in the next video. Thank you for staying tuned. Eric Slavin, out.